Hi everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Stacy at ngayong araw ay papakita ko sa inyo ang step-by-step process sa pag-renew ng NBI clearance with door-to-door delivery. Tara, simulan na natin! Let's start by opening our browser and search for clearance.nbi.gov.ph. This is the official website of NBI where we can get and renew our NBI clearance. May iba't ibang options sa pag-renew ng NBI using this website, but this video is for renewal with door-to-door delivery. Tap lang natin itong click here inside the yellow box to start the renewal process. And on this page, fill in lang natin ang lahat ng required details starting with the old NBI ID number na makikita natin sa ating previous issued NBI clearance. After that, maglagay naman tayo ng ating active mobile number. Then proceed with your first name, middle name, last name, and lastly, ilagay natin ang ating date of birth. Double-check the information at i-click ang Verify. For verification options, click lang natin ang drop-down. And as we can see, there are three options to verify your identity. First, your mother's information, which is your mother's full name and birthplace. Second, mobile number used during registration. Third, email address used during registration. For second and third options, these are the details that you've used nung first time mong kumuha ng NBI clearance mo. Select one of the three options at ilagay ang information needed. Double-check at i-click ang Verify. This is the preview page kung saan makikita natin ang ating information na nakaregister sa NBI. Double-check the information, making sure details are correct and not outdated. For incorrect and outdated information, pwede kang mag-sign in sa account mo at i-update ito o maaari ka ring mag-register muli para gumawa ng new account para masigurong tama at updated ang lahat ng details mo. Going back, click lang natin ang box to certify that all details are correct. After that, mararoute na tayo dito sa payment options. Click lang natin ang Pay, agree to the disclaimer notice, read terms and condition, scroll down from here, then click Agree. You can also contact NBI through these phone numbers and email them just in any case you have a question or clarifications. Let's click Proceed from here. Then in this page, fill in lang natin yung required details for delivery information. Once done, double-check the details, scroll down, tick the box, then click Proceed. For payment, makikita natin dito sa left side yung total amount ng transaction at yung mga available namang payment method dito sa right side. Select the payment method that is most convenient for you to use, then click Proceed. Here is the payment reference number. Use this to pay your NBI clearance at your chosen payment channel. As we can see, the status was still showing pending, and we have 24 hours to settle this transaction. After the successful payment, the status will change from pending to paid. Once paid, you will receive an email from the delivery box with an additional payment confirmation as well as your tracking number. To track your order, just simply click this link and you will see what's the status of your NBI clearance. And that's it! Ganyan lamang po kadali mag-renew ng NBI clearance online. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!